Hi my friends, today I'm eating the most delicious udon curry soup that I've ever had. This is my new favorite soup. I'll show you what the noodles look like, and of course what the soup looks like, and the package, of course. I didn't put it in another bowl. It's a quick fix, most delicious udon curry soup, I would say. So let's get ready for that great slurping noodles experience again. So let's get started. Yay! Let me get it. I'm elevating my table. I'm just not going to use a tablecloth today, because I'm just gonna eat. I'm so hungry and I'm tired, and yes, I just feel like wanting to slurp the noodle soup, the curry udon noodles. It's not really much of a soup. Well, you can make it diluted more, but it's delicious. Oh, look how hard this guy works to make those udon noodles. Oh, let's taste them and slurp them. JFC Japanese style noodle soup, curry flavor. I tell you. Let me open it. Hope I don't drop it. So, ingredients: noodle, water, wheat flour, tapioca starch, salt, corn oil, emulsifier, and all of that. I'll show you later. Let me show you. My husband is here too. Give him a thumb up for making this, please. I ordered it, he bought it, and he made it. You can make it in the microwave. This is this quick fix meal that is so delicious. As if it cooked for hours, and as if some Japanese guy made those noodles for you. That's how yummy it is. If you want to buy through my link, my Amazon link, please do so. Thanks so much. You know, I appreciate you so much. Let's get to eat now. Thick noodles, good ones, good ones. The table was too high, so I'm just gonna eat it like this. To die for. Please don't forget to give my husband a thumb up. He set up the camera for me. I couldn't sleep. My husband could. It makes it a bit difficult here because we're here in this small space. So he had a bit of a cough yesterday, more than I did. I felt like I was going to get a cold too. I mean, I had a bit of a cold. I felt like it was going to get worse, so I took my herbal capsules. They usually always help. I told my husband to get up and get some golden seal. I mean, to take some. Yeah, would you do me a favor and get me that mirror over there? On the way over there. I don't know what you see. She gave me a pad. Thank you. I don't even know what it'll look like. How I'm eating. I need to sit up a bit straighter. I also hurt my coccyx. Couldn't sit so well for the last couple of days. Bothered me because I was going over the heater duct enclosure, which is a little bit higher than the floor, and the desk chair wheel wouldn't get over, it would get stuck right down. I kept pulling forward and it just bothered me now. Bothers me now. So cracked it a couple of times, but I keep re-insuring it. We're gonna fix the problem. It's just we don't have any room here because we have the bed here. We have the table right here, and there's like no room, and can't really move the bed down any farther, or there's like no room in here. So I'm so thankful I was able to get some more soups. That's just all I wanted, that and an egg. So many times I didn't really want to eat a whole lot. But I did get a pie. I'll show you. I'll make a video. I am gonna try. I bought a pecan pie. I've never bought a pecan pie before, ever. I bought pumpkin pie, but I don't think I ever bought a pecan pie before. Maybe my children did. I never made one either, so never had it in Germany or Switzerland either. It's an American thing because they grow pecan shell. Oh, this is so good. Oh. Yeah, who thought it was gonna rain yesterday? A little bit, maybe 20%. And then I think they said 10%, and then nothing or something, you know. Then we hear that thunder. So of course we cover everything. We had to get some heavy stuff in here. My husband can't carry that heavy, so we just kind of rolled the heavy box up the steps. was the biggest boom yesterday. My husband was in the back room. I was out here by the computer, and I had this really big boom. It really startled me. Big branch fell down off the tree and hit our trailer, but it looks okay. There were big pieces of tree lying around. We cleaned up so much for a couple days, and every time it got too much for me, and I got physically too much pain, because I usually have pain. Oh, I just made another video, you know, another art and music video. Blossom Like a Rose - art and music. I'm learning about art, finally. I never knew even the painters' names or the music. I think it's wonderful. Even if I don't get a lot of views, I'm still happy. I love music, it's healing. Art is healing to me. And both of it together, art and music, it's like I try and choose the right music for the art. And like with the lady playing the violin, it's actually a photograph from a famous photographer. And then I chose some violin music with it. The lighting is so perfect, and the children that are watching her. And when I watch it, listen to the music and look at the picture, it's almost like it gives you the feeling, gives me the feeling like I'm there. How do you like your soup? Today, I didn't really know what to make a video about, so I decided to just get my new wig out. Is the camera on? And just to start putting makeup on. I really didn't know what to make a video about. But it was just given to me again, thank God, because at the right time, it's given to me. I don't even have to try and think what to make a video about. I often don't know till right then, when I need to know. I haven't been liking to edit the videos as much lately. It gets a bit overwhelming for me. But I have an Instagram account now. I posted another picture to it today. And I have 3 pictures up. Thank you, my friends, for watching my videos. Japanese style noodle soup, curry flavor. It's a product of Korea, but Japanese noodles. Really, really, really good. Almost done. It's like only one more spoon like this left, look. so good. I wonder what the day will bring today. I think we went to bed about 8 p.m. and I got up at 12:30. Kept busy looking at things on eBay, Amazon, and listening to music and all. My husband just couldn't get up. I'm glad that he could sleep. I really wanted him to sleep because he had a bit of a cough, and he took his capsules this morning and he'll be okay. But I tell you, if you don't take the herbal capsules, it's not going to be so okay. It's like a miracle healing herbs. I'll leave a comment. Not a comment, I leave a link down below for those two. I buy mine from Amazon. They're cheaper there than on Lucky, and they're cheaper there than on iHerb. I don't think Walmart has them. But let me tell you something, you have to eat something afterwards. Because of the cayenne in there, it can upset you. And relax, you know. You'll be alright then. I'll show you what it says right here. Hold on. Let me show you the ingredients. It's so tasty. I almost guarantee you that you will love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Thank you for watching, my friends. I love you. Curry Udon Noodle kiss. Bye.